Alright, here is the second part of lesson 17. So let's take a look. Create a function that sends the harvester down a square path to pick a single head of lettuce from the middle of each row. Okay, so we're going to need to create a function. Let's call it, I don't know, get lettuce. Okay, so I named my function get lettuce, and you should watch this little video on slide 8 if you didn't. I'm just obviously not going to play it on this walkthrough. So what do we want get lettuce to mean? We want the harvester to go to the middle of each row and pick up lettuce. So let's start with just row 1. We're going to want her to move forward, and she's going to be at the lettuce, and then we're going to need her to pick the lettuce, and then move forward again, right? So move forward, whoops, I want pick lettuce to be in the middle of that. There we go. Move forward, pick lettuce, move forward, and then what's the last thing we're going to want her to do? Turn. Say to the right. Okay, let's see how this function works. Run it. Great. Now let's see what would happen if we were to put it in a loop. And let's repeat it 4 times. See how that goes, because it's a square, it has 4 sides. Yeah, there we go. That worked. So let's move forward. All right, try writing your function again. Is it still helpful? How can you make it work for this puzzle? Okay, well, let's make a function. We called our function get lettuce. And get lettuce said move forward, pick lettuce, move forward. I can already see that this isn't going to work because I've got 2 lettuces right here. Although it might work, so I don't know. Let's try it. Move forward, pick lettuce, move forward, turn. Well, we want to turn right, not turn left. Turn right. Alright, and then we put that all in a loop. Say repeat it, I don't know, 8 times. Get lettuce. Alright, let's see what she does. Oh, that's not going to work because now we're stuck in the same place. So, this did not really do what we needed it to for this puzzle. We're going to have to change something. So what are we going to change? Let's take a look at the hints. Start this puzzle by coding the same function you made from the last puzzle. Yes, I did that. After the function runs for the first time, you'll need to make 1 extra turn before it runs again. Okay, so I'm going to say repeat that 4 times, and let's see where it ends up. So that's what we did in the last puzzle. Okay, now I'm going to want her to, do exactly what she just did, but on this side. So let's have her turn to the left, or that'll be her right to face that lettuce. Right, this lettuce right here, she'll be turning to the right. And repeat this again. Let's see how that works. Yeah, that worked. All right. Looks like I had 1 extra block of code on there, but not a huge deal. All right, is your function still helpful for this puzzle? I don't know. Let's see if it is. Use the same function you made in the last couple. All right. Use the same steps. Okay. and you'll need to turn and move forward to get the last crop of lettuce before you can call your function again. So let's start down here. Let's make our function. Again, a function is just like a set of instructions, so we don't have to type all this stuff every time. So we want to do get lettuce, and get lettuce means move forward, pick lettuce, move forward, and turn to the right. So that's going to get us move forward and pick, move forward and turn, and we'll want to repeat that 4 times. So let's say repeat 4 times, and our get lettuce function. Let's just make sure that works before we go forward. Yep. Now we need her to turn to her right, and we'll repeat this block again. So this should get all the lettuce from this area. Yep, there we go. But now she's not in the right place. We need her to move up here before we can tell her to get the lettuce again. So let's direct her to go up there. She's gonna need to turn twice. So let's have her turn to her right 2 times. Turn right, turn right. Now she should be facing the correct way. And then, well, because she'll turn to face this way, and then she'll turn to face this way. Then we'll want her to go step, step. So let's have her move forward twice. Okay. Now she's hypothetically standing right here where my mouse is, and she should be able to get started. Let's go ahead and put our get lettuce block, see how we do. Oh, she's getting stuck. We got her facing the wrong way. So what we'll want to do when she's here is move forward, move forward. We want her to start out maybe by turning to the left. Let's see how that works. There we go. Yeah, she got everything. Again, I used one too many blocks. I'm not that concerned with you guys using the exact right number of blocks. If you want to keep trying with it, go ahead. There's a shorter way to write this code. So, puzzle 12. Oh, this one's a challenge, so it might take a second. Let's see. Solve this puzzle in 19 blocks or less. So we're going to want to pick a long path for sure. That's going to have her move forward until this pumpkin. She's going to pick it, and then we need her to turn to the right and pick again. So let's see what we do there. Oops, froze up. Okay, cool. So that gets me down to this level. And really all you're going to need to do is keep having her turn and repeat. So I'm going to leave the rest of that to you. But basically you're going to be using pick a long path and turning. Let's look at puzzle 13 and 14, and I'm going to go through these kind of quick because I don't want this video to get too long.